Welcome to e-lesson on universal gates and combinational logic circuits, presented by B. Venkateshwarlu, Senior Lecturer. Universal gates are NAND gates and NOR gate. Here universal gates are two. One is NAND gate, another is NOR gate. Universal means by using a NAND and NOR gates, we can implement any logic function. The usual functions are AND or NOT function. If you take any expression, any logic function, the logic function contains AND or NOT functions. So if you implement by using NAND and NOR functions, we can say that NAND and NOR gates are universal gates. Can be used to develop any one of the basic gates or and NOT gates. Realize any expression with NOR gates only and NAND gates only. NAND gate, it has two or more inputs and only one output. NOT AND gate. AND gate followed by inverter. Here it receives two or more inputs. So it is here we are taken a two input AND gate. The output is y equivalent to A dot B. Immediately it is followed by a inverter. So there is a inverter or NOT gate. So AB complement. So NAND gate output is, if A and B are inputs, the y equivalent to AB complement. NAND gate, statement of NAND gate, the output is high if any one of the input is low. The output is high if any one of the input is low. The output is low when all the inputs are high. NAND gate symbol, I3B symbol shown in the slide. The small circle bubble represent the invert function and with bubble. So that is NAND gate. The truth table shown for NAND gate, A, B are inputs, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 combinations. AND gate outputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, whereas the NAND output is AB complement. So that is 0 complement 1, 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, complement is 0. So the I3 symbol shown. The basic gates using NAND gates only, NOT gate. So the inputs are two inputs. NAND gate, NOT gate consists of only one input, one output. The input is A, then output is A complement. So in order to get only a single input, here a NAND gate, two inputs are tied together. A single input A is given. So A dot A, all complement. A dot A is A complement. Y equivalent to A complement. AND gate, AB will get to AB whole complement. So after that the one more NAND gate is taken. The inputs are tied together. The input is AB complement. So AB complement dot AB complement whole complement. So AB two times means we can write one times AB complement whole complement. Complement and complement get cancelled. We'll get AB. So NAND gates with AND function is 2 gates. It is a 2-stage operation. OR gate, it is a 3-stage operation with the NAND gate. A and B are inputs for respective NAND gate. Inputs are tied together. We'll get NOT operation A complement. Similarly, B complement. These inputs are given one more NAND gate. We'll get A complement dot B complement, whole complement. So complement get cancelled for A plus. Similarly, B dot become a plus. So A plus B, Y equivalent to A plus B. NOR gate, it has 2 or more inputs and only one output, not OR gate. OR gate followed by an inverter. OR gate, it receives 2 inputs, generate output Y equivalent to A plus B, immediately followed by inverter. So inverter or NOT gate that will give A plus B whole complement. NOR gate, the output is low if any one of the input is high. Output is high only when all inputs are low. NOR gate, 2 inputs NOR gate are with complement, A plus B whole complement output. The IEEE symbol shown in the slide. The small circle bubble represents the invert function. Truth table as given. AB 0 0 inputs 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. A plus B OR function is 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Its complemented values are A plus B whole complement. 0 complement becomes 1, 1 complement is 0, 1 complement is 0 and 1 complement is 0. When both inputs are high, the output is high. If any one of the input or both of the input is high, then output is low state. Basic gates using NAND gates only, not. So it is a single stage. Inputs are tied together. You'll get A plus A whole complement. A plus A is A complement. OR gate is a 2-stage. One NOR gate will get A plus B whole complement. That is complemented by using the same inputs are tied together, given to the one more NOR gate. So it will generate A plus B whole complement, it will become A plus B. AND gate is a 3-stage operation. If you give one A input to the one NOR gate, it will generate a complement, inversion operation or inverter. Similarly, B, it will generate inversion operation, B complement. These 2 inputs are given to the next NOR gate. It will generate as Y equivalent to A complement plus B complement whole complement. A complement whole complement is A, plus complement is dot, B complement whole complement is become a B. So our output Y equivalent to A dot B. So it is a AND operation. AND gate operation is a, with a NOR gate is a 3-stage operation. Exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR function is an important Boolean function used extensively in logic circuits. The symbol for exclusive OR gate, I3B symbol also shown here. A exclusive OR B. If A, B are inputs, then Y equivalent to A exclusive OR B. A exclusive OR B means Y equivalent to A B complement plus A complement B. A or B, but not both. Exclusive OR gate. For a two input exclusive OR gate, the output is high when the inputs are different. That means inputs, one input is 1, another input is 0. And if one input is 0, the other input is 1, then output is in logic 1. In remaining condition, the inputs are either maybe 0, 0 or 1, 1. During that time, the output is low state. The truth table has shown here. AB 0, 0 will get 0 output. 0, 1 opposite state of the inputs. Exclusive OR, then output is 1. 1, 0, it is opposite state of the input. Output is 1. In 1, 1 condition, the output is 0. The Boolean equation for exclusive OR gate is given as Y equivalent to A exclusive OR B, which is equivalent to A B complement plus A complement B. Logic circuit for exclusive OR gate is using basic gates. The basic gates are NOT AND OR gates. A and B are inputs. Two NOT gates which will generate A complement, B complement. These outputs are given to the AND gates. A complement B, it will generate A complement dot B. The other and lower AND gate will generate A B complement. These outputs are fed to the next OR gate, which will generate output Y equivalent to A exclusive OR B. That equivalent to A complement B plus A B complement. Upper AND gate forms product A complement B. Lower AND gate forms the product A B complement. Output Y equivalent to A complement B plus A B complement, which is equivalent to A exclusive OR B. In case 1, A is equal to B is equal to 0. Both AND gates have the low outputs, then Y equivalent to low. In case 2, A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. So the upper AND gate is 1, lower AND gate 0, then OR gate output is logic 1. In case 3, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. The lower AND gate output is 1, upper AND gate is output is 0, then OR gate output is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. In case of when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, so two NOT gates will generate zeros, AND gate will generate zeros, then 0 plus 0, it will become a OR gate output is 0, then exclusive OR gate output, A exclusive OR gate, A exclusive OR B or exclusive OR gate output, it will become a 0. Three input exclusive OR gate, A, B, C are inputs, then output Y equivalent to A exclusive OR, B exclusive OR, C. Truth table ABC 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0, then 1 1 1. The corresponding outputs are when output inputs are 0 0 1, output is 1. 0 1 0, output is 1. 1 0 0, output is 1. All three inputs 1, then output is 1. When the odd numbers of input is high, the output is I. Application of exclusive OR gate: adders, subtractors and multipliers, counters, incrementers and discriminators. Parity generators and parity checkers, you can use the exclusive OR gate. Phase: 3-input NAND gate is used as an inverter. Which of the following will give better results? 2 unused inputs are left open. 2 unused inputs are connected to logic 0. 2 unused inputs are connected to logic 1. D. None. 2 unused inputs are connected to logic 1, which gives a better results. It will work as an inverter. Minimum number of 2-input NAND gates required to implement Boolean function is AB plus C complement. A is 2, B is 3, C is 5, D is 6. The answer is 2. Next topic is combinational logic circuits. Its output depends only on present inputs. The combinational logic circuit's output depends on the present state of the inputs. It consists of combination of the gates. The combination of gates are basic gates, universal gates and exclusive OR gates. Logic gates are the basic building of the blocks of combination circuits. Example: half adder, full adder, multiplexer, decoder are the combinational logic circuits. The output of the combinational logic circuits output depends on the present state of the inputs. Half adder, it has 2 inputs and 2 outputs. It adds 2 bits binary digits and produces sum and carry. So half adder, it can add the 2-bit numbers. It will generate the sum and carry. Full adder, it has 3 inputs and 2 outputs. Inputs are 3 bits and produce sum and carry outputs. So full adder add the 3 bits, whereas half adder add the 2 bits. So half adder having 2 inputs, 2 outputs, it will add the function of the half adder is addition of 2 bits. The function of the full adder is addition of 3 bits. It will generate the output sum and carry. Multiplexer, a digital circuit that sends data from any one of many lines on the to a single line. Here, a digital circuit that sends data from any one of the many lines onto a single line. So here many voice channels are connected to a single line in a telecommunication system. Different data will be present at the multiple inputs. Out of these multiple inputs, one is selected and sent to the output line. Decoder, it converts binary data into other form such as decimal, octal and hexadecimal, etc. Arithmetic circuit, The circuit which perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, etc. Half adder, half subtractor, full adder, full subtractor. Half adder. The block diagram of half adder. It has two inputs, A and B. It will generate two outputs, sum and other one is carry. The half adder function is addition of two bits, that is A and B. It will generate sum A exclusive or B, carry AB. The function of half adder, it is a combinational logic circuit. It has two inputs and two outputs. It performs 2-bit binary addition and produces the sum and carry. Binary addition, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. The truth table of half adder. Inputs A and B, outputs sum and carry. If inputs are 0, 0, we'll get 0 plus 0 is sum is 0, carry is 0. If A is 0 and B is 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. If inputs are 1 and 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. If inputs are 1 and 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Boolean expression for sum and carry of half adder. Carry equivalent to A dot B AND operation, whereas sum is A exclusive or B, which is equivalent to A B complement plus A complement B. Exclusive OR gate. It has two or more inputs and a single output. Its output is high when the inputs are different. So exclusive OR gate, Y equivalent to AB complements AB complement. Function of exclusive OR gate in half adder. The Boolean expression of exclusive OR is same as sum of the output of the half adder. It performs 2-bit binary addition. The output exclusive OR gate is sum of a half adder. AND gate, its output is high if all its inputs are high. That is AB or two input AND gate, the output Y equivalent to A dot B. Here is shown inputs A and B. When both inputs are high, then output Y equivalent to high. In remaining condition of the combination of the inputs, the output is low. The function of AND gate in half adder. The Boolean expression of AND is same as in carry or output of the half adder. Hence, AND gate produces a carry output. The half adder using exclusive OR gate and AND gates, which perform as a half adder. Here, half adder having two inputs A and B, and outputs are sum and carry. Sum A exclusive OR B, carry is AB. So, in order to design a half adder, you require one exclusive OR gate, one AND gate. It is sufficient to design half adder logic diagram. So, its a truth table of the exclusive half adder is ABR inputs. When inputs are opposite state, then sum is high, that is 0, 1 and 1, 0 condition of the inputs. Output is high. When the carry is high, when both of the inputs are high. The operation of the half adder circuit. Case 1, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. The sum is 0 and carry is 0. In case A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, sum is equal to 1, carry is 0. In case 3, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. In case 4, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. And the sum is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1. Quiz. In combinational logic circuit, output depends on present inputs only, previous outputs only, present input as well as previous outputs, none of the above. Our answer is, in a combinational logic circuit, the output depends on present inputs only. So our answer is A is correct. Half adder is a circuit which adds only 2 bits, adds only 3 bits, adds any number of bits. D, none of the above. The answer is addition of only 2 bits. Half adder can be constructed using basic gates, B, exclusive OR gate, and NOR gate and AND gates, universal gates. D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Half adder can be constructed using either basic gates, exclusive OR and AND gates, universal gates, and so all of the above is correct answer. Fourth quiz question. What is the sum output of half adder when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1? So A is equal to 0, B is 1, C 1 or 0, D, none of the above. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, the sum output is 1. So our answer is B is correct. Next topic. Full adder using 2 half adders. Draw the black diagram of full adder. Write truth table of full adder. Addition of 2 3-bit binary numbers. Binary addition of 3 bits. So full adder can perform addition of 3 bits. It will perform addition of 3 bits. So here A is one number, 3-bit binary number which is having 0 1 1. B is another number which is having 1 1 0. When you are adding A and B, so we'll get sum is 1, LSB value, carry is 0. The carry is forward to next higher significant bit. So carry forwarded to left side, carry informs previous column. So 0. Now 3 bits are added, 0 1 1. We'll get sum is 0 and carry is 1. So carry 1 is forwarded to the next higher significant bit. Now 1 0 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. So the carry is the MSB bit. Now output is 1 0 0 1. The sum digits are 0 0 1, where carry bit is the MSB 1, that's shown in the yellow color. Truth table of off adder as shown in the slide. Boolean expression for sum and carry of off adder. Carry A dot B is equal to AND operation. Sum A exclusive or B. Full adder. So full adder adds 3 bits at a time. The off adder can be used for addition of LSB to add 2 binary numbers. A full adder is essential to add subsequent bits in addition of 2 binary numbers. It is a combinational logic circuit. Full adder which receives A, B, AI, BI, CI plus 1, 3 inputs, addition of 3 bits, it will generate sum S, carry C out. Black diagram of full adder. The truth table for full adder as shown in the table, truth table. The inputs A, input B, input carry in. The outputs are sum digit and carry out. When inputs are 0 0 0, the sum is 0 and carry is 0. When inputs are 0 0 1, carry is 0, sum is 1. When inputs are 0 1 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. When inputs are 0 1 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. When inputs are 1 0 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. When inputs are 1 0 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. When inputs are 1 1 0, sum is 0 and carry is 1. When inputs are 1 1 1, then sum is 1 and carry also 1. This is the truth table of a full adder. Boolean expression for a sum and carry. Sum S equivalent to A exclusive or B of exclusive or C in. The C out equivalent to A exclusive or B of C in plus AB. Logic circuit of full adder. The full adder, in order to construct a full adder using off adders, here you require 2 full adders, 2 off adders, 1 OR gate. In order to construct a full adder, we require 2 off adders, additionally 1 more OR gate. The first off adder receives A and B inputs and it will generate some A exclusive or B. The carry output is A dot B. The second off adder which receives input A exclusive or B and C in, it will generate some S equivalent to A exclusive or B exclusive or C-in. So the second off adder AND gate output is A exclusive or B dot C-in. These two carry outputs of off adders are connected to the OR gate, which generate full adder carry out, which is equivalent to C out equivalent to A exclusive or B C-in plus AB. So C out equivalent to AB plus C-in of A exclusive or B. The truth table of full adder as shown in the slide. Summary: a full adder adds 3 bits at a time. A full adder is a combination logic circuit that consists of 2 off adders and 1 OR gate. A full adder is used in construction of a parallel binary adder. Phase: a full adder adds bits at a time. A is 1, B 2, C 3, D any number. Full adder adds 3 bits at a time. So our answer is C. A full adder has 3 inputs and dash outputs. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D any number. So it have 2 outputs, one is sum and carry. So our answer is B is 2 outputs. A full adder consists of 2 NAND gates and 1 OR gate, 2 off adders and 1 OR gate, 1 exclusive OR gate, 1 NOR gate, 1 AND gate, 1 NOR gate, 2 off adders. A full adder consists of 2 off adders and 1 NOR gate. So our answer is B is correct. Next topic is realize off adder using NAND gates. Realize off adder using NOR gates. Logic structure of NAND gate: AND with complement, AND is followed by a inverter. Immediately NOT, and NOT gate is NAND. The standard symbol of NAND gate, a bubble shown to the output for the AND gate, which becomes a NAND gate. The operation of NAND gate can be explained with the help of truth table. AB equivalent to YB, Y equivalent to AB complement. So in 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 is 0. What is a off adder? A logic circuit that can add 2 bits. The outputs of off adder are sum and carry. The Boolean equation for these outputs are: sum is A exclusive or B, read as AX or B. Carry A dot B, read as A and B. Operation of off adder: sum output is 1 when A and B are different. Carry output is 1 when A and B are same. The operation of off adder for different possible inputs are given in truth table 2. Off adder truth table: AB are inputs, sum and carry are output. 0 0, the carry is 0, sum is 0. A and B are 0 and 1. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. 1 and 0 will get sum is 0 and carry is 1. 1 and 1 will get sum is 0 and carry is 1. Half adder using NAND gates. Only NAND gates. So you require 5 NAND gates, 4 NAND gates for exclusive OR operation, 1 NAND gate for A dot B carry operation. So sum is equal to A exclusive OR B, carry is equal to A and B. By simplifying the expression of the gates outputs, we will get sum is A exclusive OR B, carry is A and B. Truth table for NOR gate. Inputs are A and B, 0 0. Output is 1 0 1, output is 0 1 0, output is 0 1 1, output is 0. What is the half adder? A logic circuit that can add 2 bits. The output of half adder is sum and carry. Boolean equation of these are outputs are sum is equal to A exclusive OR B, read as A XOR B. Carry A dot B is equal to read as A and B. The operation of half adder for different possible inputs are given to table 2. And inputs are 0 1 and 1 0. The outputs are some outputs are 1 1. When inputs are same, that is 1 and 1, the carry output is 1. Half adder using NOR gates. Here 5 gates for sum function, 3 gates for AND function. For X, we will get A exclusive OR B, A plus B whole complement. For Y equivalent to X plus A whole complement. So A plus B whole complement plus A whole complement. So A plus B whole complement and whole complement dot A complement. So A plus B of A complement. So which is equivalent to A dot A complement plus A complement B. Similarly, Y equivalent to A complement B. Z is equal to X plus B whole complement. Z equivalent to A plus B whole complement plus B whole complement. A plus B whole complement to whole complement dot B complement. Complement to complement get cancelled. It becomes A plus B of B complement. So AB complement plus B dot B complement, which B complement B dot B complement becomes a 0. So output Z equivalent to AB complement. So W equivalent to Y plus Z whole complement. So sum S equivalent to Y plus Z whole complement get cancelled, Y plus Z. So here Y plus Z, Y means A complement B plus Z means A B complement whole complement and complement get cancelled. Then sum S equivalent to A complement B plus A B complement, which is equivalent to A exclusive or B. Similarly for carry, A plus B of AB complement, A plus B of A complement plus B complement, A dot A complement plus AB complement plus A complement B plus B of B complement, which is equivalent to AB plus A complement B plus AB complement AB. The sum equivalent to A exclusive or B. The carry is equivalent to AB. The quiz: the minimum number of NAND gates are required to construct off adder is 5, 6, C7, D8. Answer is 5. The minimum number of NOR gates required to construct off adder is: A is 5, B is 6, C is 7, D is 8. So B is correct answer. Thank you.